So I am going to talk about cats in a box. Yay! So I was wondering why Maro always gets into the box. No matter how size they are, but he really loves box. Or you say boxes. And I googled it. Again, cats love boxes because their thermoneutral zone, in other words, where they're not expanding their energy to cool off or get warm, is between 85 to 100 degrees. So if the cats get into the box, it will be their comfortable zone. So that's why Maro always gets into the box. So using that, I was wondering how small box can he get in? Let's check. Okay, so starting off with a pet stroller for cats. I bought a huge size so that Momo and Maro can get in together. FYI, the Ragdollcats can be described in one word. B-I-G, big. It can be up to 10 to 15 kilograms. Wow, that's heavy and big. Okay, so moving on. This is a laundry bag that I bought from Muji. There were 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. And this one, I think it was medium size. There he goes again, seeing Usamimi going off to work. Haha. Next is cat house. I bought it at Nitori, and this is very useful because it adjusts cat's temperature. And it only costs $30. See how cozy he looks? Moving on, the Amazon box. Amazon has variety size of boxes, so this one I think is relatively small size. And I have to apologize that I couldn't take a video with Maro in a big Amazon box, so I'm very sorry. According to Amazon, Amazon is highly regarded among cats and their humans because they deliver very high quality cardboard boxes that are perfect for sitting in, sleeping in, chewing, or whatever you like. They don't collapse or fall apart easily and hold up to months of cat use. So the box is a gift in and of itself. Wow! And I have an advice to give you guys. Don't make them eat too much cardboard or else they will throw up. I have experienced that in the past. So please don't make them eat cardboard. See how he reacts? I know that they are so cute, but if you care and love about your cat or your cat, please don't make them eat cardboard. Okay, so back to the topic. This is a small size box that I got it at a nail distributor store called TAT. And once again, I'm sorry that I don't have a video. I'm very sorry. And at last, you can see from the logo what this bag is. And this is the smallest one. Wow! Yep, everybody loves McDonald's, even cats too. Well, see you in the next video. Meow meow. Hey, hey, Usamimi. Hey, hey, Usamimi. Hey, hey, nya nya. Hey, hey, nya nya. Maro, now you want to get into a pocket? Come on, you cutie pie.